The Caniacs take shelter on a rainy Friday night. A 3-game homestand starts tonight. Let's meet the producers. This guy right here, the flash of Sebastian Aho, 9 consecutive games. The crash of Michael Ferland. They are an ideal complement, and they were Monday night in Detroit.
Tomas Hertl goes deep, intended for Logan Couture, picked off by Brett Pesce, and the Canes look to escape harm here. Trevor Van Riemsdyk out to center, 2-on-1. Warren Foegele far wing in front, just by the stick of Justin Williams. Burns has the puck. San Jose attempting to get it out. Kevin Labanc broken up. Andrei Svechnikov in front. Martinook just wide. Rebound, side of the goal. Walmart's chance is stopped.
Martinook had a gaping cage. He doesn't score. And another good shift from that line that's been good in the first 10 games.
Through center now, San Jose's Antti Suomela right in. He scores! Antti Suomela gets the opportunity and scores his first NHL goal.
Kane makes a heck of a play to Suomela. Suomela is able to win the race around Slavin. Hamilton can't cut him off. He outweights Mrazek and scores.
Through 1-0 San Jose on a goal by Antti Suomela just moments ago. Through center, Joe Pavelski clears it in. Down and out pass off the side of the goal. Logan Couture, 2-time Norris Trophy winner, broken up by Calvin DeHaan. Sloppy entry, but they retrieve it. Meyer to the outside. Kane this way for Donskoy. Back for Erik Karlsson walking the line. Burns hammers one, and the rebound scores. Timo Meyer left all alone out in front.
And as Burns misfires, hits Meyer. It lands right on Meyer's, it looks like off of his knee, right onto his tape. Empty net.
The puck rolls around. Fed by Sorensen for Joakim Ryan. Ryan now turning stick. Marcus Sorensen all the way across on a change. Shot taken, stopped by Mrazek, who's defended by Joakim Ryan, and then Brent Burns. Jordan Martinook low to high. Falk with a shot picked off by Aaron Dell. Now a shoulder by McGinn. He took off the attacking forward Barclay Goodrow. Out of the corner, Dylan Cambrell for Goodrow. Good stop by Mrazek. As we approach the 18-minute mark in period 1. Spring pass. Marcus Sorensen right in. What a save by Peter Mrazek. He'll set it up. Aho at the point dancing. Middle dish finding Jaccob Slavin down the wall. His shot blocked in front. Good play defensively coming all the way back. As was broken up by Timo Meyer. Far side. Hamilton scores! Dougie Hamilton with a rising slapper for his first goal as a Hurricane.
Dougie Hamilton ready to shoot this puck. What a job from Ferland finding Hamilton. It hits Burns' stick and deflects into the upper half of the net.
Fishing it out is Jaccob Slavin right up the gut off the stick of Martinook, held in by Brent Burns. Labanc, high slot Couture, side of the goal, they score! A tic-tac-toe maneuver. Tomas Hertl with the finish, getting a beautiful pass from Logan Couture. They make it look easy. 3-1 San Jose. It kicks around. McGinn will club it ahead legally. Jordan Staal's got it. They kill time. He advances back out to center. Over the line, short-handed. A chance for Slavin, shut down by Aaron Dell.
No stick for McGinn. The Hurricanes had excellent short-handed awareness. Jordan Staal patience with the puck. The growth in Slavin's offensive game. We've seen him in shootouts make the power move to the backhand. Upstairs, a slash in the process to Karlsson.
Dell in exchange, fumbled by Dillon out in front, and they score on the follow-up. Brock McGinn.
The first man pressure from Martinook. He may not get a point, but he was a big part of it. Walmart is all about penetration, and then you have the follow-up from McGinn. And McGinn knew he had to get this puck up.
He'll move it along the wall for Evander Kane. He'll flip it ahead. It's picked off. Aho in the slot. Teravainen, his shot. Scores! Teuvo Teravainen with a laser right by Aaron Dell. Brand new ball game.
What a job forcing the turnover from Ferland. Teravainen. Aho streak continues. And how about Michael Ferland? Ferland did an excellent job avoiding any kind of contact. The Hurricanes have had an outstanding period.
As we're deadlocked at 3, a steal. Burns a shot, fought off. The rebound, what a block! Justin Falk does it again. Joakim Ryan to the outside. Justin Falk fanning on it. Look out, open ice. Partial breakaway, Marcus Sorensen. He's in, what a play!
This is an outstanding play. makes sure not to take out the skates, misses on the first swipe, comes back underneath the puck, prevents the opportunity, avoids the penalty. Sensational play.
Martinook for him again. All the way back. Van Riemsdyk with a shot, patted down by Dell. Juicy rebound. In the circle, near side. Martinook off Walmart. Now McGinn, a shot. Shielded by Dell. The follow-up band on.
You see that line's been good. Martinook has really played on two different lines. Watt has seen reduced ice time.
Foegele from Stahl. He's right in. Dell shuts it down. Back out. Canes are changing. Fresh over the boards. Foegele dancing right in. Oh, Dell denies him. Under 5 minutes left. Canes carrying the play. Brock McGinn off a stick. Falk in front. Dell hangs on. Far to near side. Meyer off Hamilton, captured by Peter Mrazek. He does. Back for Slavin near point. He'll dance. 10 seconds left. Burns in back of the goal. Teravainen's on it. He'll cycle back out. 5 seconds left. His shot is blocked by Brent Burns, who has the puck. 1 second left through center. Back down. Each team has secured 1 point in the standings. San Jose line. LeBanc will drop it off for Burns. Stolen. Retaken by McGinn. His shot. Fought off by Dell. Rebound. Goes high. Hamilton had it. Went off the stick of LeBanc. 22-year-old Warren Foegele. Through the middle. Right in for a chance. And off the goal post. Hamilton. Right in and wide. And change again. 50 seconds left in OT. What a game here. Foegele, one more time, he's in! Oh, Dell! What a job by Aaron Dell. He'll cross the line. His shot, shielded by Dell. It goes high, knocked down to the corner. Hamilton has a man in front. Teravainen stopped again by Dell. What a save by Aaron Dell. 3 seconds left in overtime, and we will go to a shootout. Justin Williams, the Kane captain, will be shooter number 1. On the 29-year-old goaltender from the University of North Dakota, where he was a national champ. Williams, 37-year-old veteran. Shooter 1 denied by Aaron Dell.
I think that is a cultural message to his bench. Dell gets way out and makes a heck of a challenging save.
Mrazek out aggressively. Couture's in, denied. Excellent pad save by Peter Mrazek. And he has been good in his career at this. Brock McGinn on Aaron Dell. He scores!
Fakes, holds, and is able to just get enough to beat Dell on the blocker side.
In the 2-hole for Peter DeBoer. Deliberately in on Mrazek. Off the goal post, near post. Flush. Sebastian Aho's continued his point streak at 10. Can he win the game? It's on his stick. Aho walks in, off the metal. He clanks the pipe. Sharks stay alive. Jonas Donskoy, mano-a-mano on Mrazek. Canes win!
Outstanding, John. Outstanding.
This is as nice a Philharmonic as you'll ever see.
Look at the fans.
The fans are doing it. The skull clap. Everybody's doing it. And now the surge reverses.
Oh, the reverse.
Yep. And look at this.
Oh, they're going to come under the court.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Put that in the bank.
But John, World Series night, sliding into home. The fans love it. 3-0 in these third jerseys. How good is this? Boy.
That's what that's all about.